It's me, Mikey Pipes. I am on the big island of Hawaii. Today is Thursday, September 30th, 2021, and it is 2:31 p.m. For some reason, plumbing is in my blood. And why do I say that? Because I'm walking by these carts and I see rigid aluminum 36 and 24-inch pipe wrenches. And then I see these gentlemen here digging a hole. Look at this. Aloha.
Aloha.
What is your name?
Zach.
Zach and?
Yeah. I'm Scott.
And Scott. You got the 36-inch right there, the 24-inch right there, and you're digging a hole, and you're replacing the pressure-reducing valve.
Yeah, 2-inch.
Do you have high pressure here?
120.
120 PSI?
Yep.
Wow. On 2-inch water main. Crazy. Look at that. Oh my God, that is huge. Awesome. What's wrong with it?
First not regulating. Yeah, it's just
Too much pressure or too little pressure?
too much.
Too much pressure. Oh, so my shower's gonna be affected? I'm in 2610.
Yes, I apologize, sir.
I want more pressure. Can I take the restrictor out?
We can check for you. I like your gold pieces there.
Oh, thank
They're
you.
beautiful.
You know, I have this very small YouTube following of about 20-something thousand followers. And my thing is I wear gold
Really?
while I'm working. So I have some gold bracelets, gold chains, and my thing is a pound of gold at all times.
Wow.
And you have a very nice, look at that Cuban link right there.
Thank you.
Oh, very nice. And what, are you from Hawaii?
Yes, I am.
I'm not showing your face right now, just in case you
All
know.
good.
You born here?
Yes, born and raised.
So
Island of Oahu and Big Island.
Very nice. One thing I noticed is that so many people here have tattoos.
Yes.
And I see you got some crazy art right there.
Yes.
On your arms,
Yeah.
your biceps.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that.
That's
That is a lot of work right there.
Thank you.
Wow,
Yeah,
very
I'm
nice.
finished, but continuations, always.
Very nice. And you're born in Hawaii?
Yes, sir.
Do you speak Hawaiian?
I do, not fluently.
Okay.
But
I hear there's 16 letters of the Hawaiian alphabet. Or 14?
16 main.
And plus vowels.
Yes, of course.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And you have that little apostrophe too, which is
Yes, an Okina.
Okina.
And there's a kahako. There is a few abbreviations to pronunciate a certain vowel a certain way.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Great. I've never been to Hawaii before.
Oh, welcome.
And
we hope to see
thank
you
you,
again.
thank you. We
Definitely.
started in Honolulu, which is
Oahu.
Oahu.
Yes, that's what this is. Right here is a Waikiki, Diamond Head.
I love
Right there,
Diamond
The
Head.
plane coming in.
Look at that, to the airport.
The whole
Waikiki
ocean
Beach
there.
right there.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. We stayed at the Four Seasons in
Ko'olina.
Ko'olina.
Awesome.
Very beautiful resort. We just came from Maui today.
Oh, wow.
We were at the Fairmont.
Okay.
And now here we are
Another
again.
beautiful area.
Big Island, Four Seasons.
Wonderful.
Do you have copper water service here, or is it PEX or PVC?
Copper.
Copper. Nice. Nice. He's trying to break the union right there. Very nice. Well, gentlemen, I'll let you be. Thank you for your time so much. Much
What is
appreciated.
your YouTube?
Mikey Pipes.
Mikey Pipes. I'm gonna give you a follow.
Excellent, excellent.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Take care.
Be well, brother. Do you see how much I love you? Mikey Pipes loves you, and you love Mikey Pipes. So remember, sharing is caring. And even when I'm on vacation, much deserved, by the way, I still look out for my great community. So thank you so much. I am beyond blessed. God has blessed me beyond my wildest imaginations. If I could go back 20 years ago and God had to say to me like, just blown away. I've been so blessed in life, and I thank God every day for that. Hope everyone is well. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.